Is Irish widely spoken on the Dingle Peninsula? Have you ever wondered about the Irish language and where it thrives in Ireland? The Dingle Peninsula is a fascinating place to consider. This stunning region, located in County Kerry, is part of the Kerry Gaeltacht. The term Gaeltacht refers to areas where Irish is spoken as a community language. On the Dingle Peninsula, Irish, known as Gaeilge, is not just a subject in schools. It is a living language used in daily life. In fact, this area has one of the highest proportions of Irish speakers in the country. In the town of Dingle, over 60% of the population spoke Irish, according to data from the early 2000 years. More recent statistics show that some areas within the Kerry Gaeltacht report over 70% of residents using Irish every day. The Dingle Peninsula is often referred to as part of the Fíor-Ghaeltacht, which means true Gaeltacht. This designation highlights that Irish remains the primary language for many residents. For travelers, this means that you can experience Irish culture in an authentic setting. As you wander through Dingle, you will hear Irish spoken in shops, cafes, and on the streets. Signs are often in both Irish and English, giving visitors a taste of the language. The local community hosts cultural events where Irish is the main language, allowing you to immerse yourself in the culture. Beyond the language, the Dingle Peninsula offers breathtaking mountain and coastal scenery. The dramatic cliffs and rolling hills provide a stunning backdrop for your adventures. Whether you are hiking in the mountains or strolling along the coast, you will appreciate the natural beauty of this region. In summary, Irish is widely spoken on the Dingle Peninsula, especially in its Gaeltacht communities. This makes it one of the best places in Ireland to experience the language in everyday use. If you are looking to connect with Ireland's linguistic heritage while enjoying its natural beauty, the Dingle Peninsula is a must-visit destination.